this video, I'll teach you about functions. What is a function? Why we use a function? What is the definition of function? How we declare a function? Okay, so function is a group of statements that together perform a task. We make function of that part of code which we need more often. Um, like if we need a part of code 2 or 3 or even 10 times, we write it separately and we as a function we can declare it as a function and we can use it as many times as we want. I'll show you an example. Okay, this is code for summation of two numbers. One thing I'll tell you that whenever our program runs, our compiler search for the main function. Then whenever it finds the main function, it starts executing it line by line. So when we run it, it now uh, it starts executing the main function. It has successfully declared for integer abo. Now it's asking for the user input for a. Okay, then it will ask for user input of b. When this line successfully compiles, this executed and will go for the next line. In this line, our program first solve this, then put this value into O. Okay, so this is a function. So our compiler will jump from here to the function. Like our compiler will say what is the add number function. So as you can see, add number function is this. So our compiler will jump from here to here, putting a mark. Okay. Then as you can see, we have passed two arguments a and b. So variables a or b are passed. So it defines an integer c, it adds the two variables and returns the value of c. Whenever a function faces the return statement, it automatically exits from the function. So, like you can say, we have our main program executed this. Then in this line, our program executes this part. Then it puts a mark and go to this function. It executes this line, and when it faces this line, this is a return statement. Then it exits from this function. So when it will exit, it will go to the same mark. So our program was dealing with this before calling this function. So our uh, compiler will get back here and return the value of c. The c variable is here, so we can say c equal to and out. Then it will print the output O, and after this uh, return 0. Our main program will be exited as here is the return statement. So, right. Mm, right now it's asking for the value of a, so we can enter the value of a. It's asking for the value of b. We have entered value of a, we entered the value of b. So it is saying the value of summation is 88. So this is all its steps done, and we can see the value of summation of a and b. Okay, so in this is the function. This is called the argument. These are two arguments, argument a and b. Okay, so here if we put a semicolon, okay, and we this this is called the declaration of function. Here we are saying that here we have a function named add number. Its return type is integer. Its argument is integer and integer. It has two arguments, both are integer. Okay, and we can um, this is all about the declaration. And if we put a bracket and start defining it, like what's the process it does, what is the structure, what it is doing. When we tell compiler what it is doing, this is called the definition. Okay, so this is all about functions. One thing I forgot to tell you that main is also a function. Any any code or any C++ program is an function. So this is all.